So in the front this is a list of focus group of both classes. So bears on the top and then bobcats underneath.
What's a focus group?
So those are the kids that are kind of on the brink of mid to low, and maybe they could get into a higher score in their SBAC, but they're kind of on the brink, so we're focusing in on those. And
Are you collecting student work for them? Okay.
So collecting data on Socrative quizzes and then student work, and these are the kids that I keep all their student work in here. So this was MBT2
Okay. So there's the test.
quiz, and then my exemplar.
So you did that one. That's the teacher exemplar. Okay.
Still my exemplar. And then I start putting the focus groups work.
Okay.
Every time. So this is theirs.
And so what will you do with their student work now that you have it all in one place?
So I go back and I see like where the misconception was in their work, and maybe if they didn't draw a model where they could have drawn a model, and that tells me what to focus on when I pull them for intervention. And then it also will show me as the year goes on maybe where they're improving. I'm like, oh, before they were barely doing any of case, and now they're like working really hard to get in their models and their explanation. So it helps see through the years they progress.
Okay, so tell me about your teacher exemplar.
Okay, so the exemplar just shows what I expect students to have on their own exemplars, as well as what is needed to solve these type of problems each week. So using CASE, we first chunk all the information from the question, so getting the most important information to help them know what is this question asking me to do, as well as moving forward and annotating and drawing, labeling. We have a place value chart. We use some of our sayings. This will help them know, am I going to round it up or are we going to let it rest? The E will show, explain to me what they did, how they did it, for all 4 questions.
Okay, what's next in your IP binder?
Next, we'll have their assessment reports from the matrix from Illuminate, and this just gives me an idea of maybe what their misconceptions were. It'll tell me exactly what answer they chose, so I can look back and see how did they get to that answer, and how can I correct that.